Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: the iPhone 6 Plus, charged and online, and proof of purchase if you don't know the Apple ID. Once done, attempt activation with the Apple ID and password tied to the device. This is the fastest resolution because activation lock links to iCloud. If you can't sign in, prepare the original receipt with serial number and turn on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're signed into Apple.com to confirm the device appears under your account before moving on. Next, pursue account recovery and verification. You'll use Apple's account recovery when the password is lost because it preserves security while restoring access. Start recovery at Apple.com or via Apple support. Expect an identity verification timeline. Meanwhile, gather the device serial or IMEI, purchase receipt, and a photo ID. These speed up verification. Once you have these, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Provide the proof so Apple can remove activation lock or guide you through secure credential reset. To finish, follow Apple's instructions after verification. They will either reset the activation lock remotely or authorize device removal so you can activate it. Once Apple confirms, perform a factory reset. Erase all content and settings, then reactivate with the cleared Apple ID or a new one. If the lock persists, escalate the case to a supervisor and resubmit proof. This often resolves edge cases. And one tip: keep receipts and Apple ID credentials stored securely to prevent repeat lockouts and speed future recoveries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.